U.S. Election 2024. The New York trial of Donald Trump, Michael Cohen's predictions. According to Michael Cohen, who is Donald Trump's lawyer, the former president will be held accountable in the New York hush money case, according to an interview he gave on Saturday to MSNBC's Katie Phang. Regarding the alleged manipulation of company records and concealment of hush money payments to adult film actress Stormy Daniels during his 2016 presidential campaign, Trump is facing up to 34 felony counts. Cohen brokered a $130,000 deal with Daniels, whose real name is Stephanie Clifford, so that she would remain silent regarding the allegations of an affair between Trump and her. Since he is widely believed to be the Republican nominee for president in 2024, the ex-president has pleaded not guilty to all counts and asserted that the prosecution is out to get him politically. Daniels' affair is also something he denies. Following the production of an extra 100,000 pages of pretrial discovery by the U.S. Department of Justice, DOJ, Judge Juan Merchan ordered a 30-day postponement of the trial, meaning that Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg's case will not go to trial on March 25. It is my firm belief that Donald will face trial in this matter, Cohen stated during his Saturday appearance on the Katie Phang show. The jury's verdict will decide the outcome, not my or the witnesses. The reliability of the witnesses will be considered, but the documented evidence will serve as the most crucial piece of evidence in determining whether or not the jury finds him guilty of the accusations. And I think we will see accountability for Donald Trump. In response to Newsweek's email asking about Cohen's comments, a representative for Trump's campaign informed the publication, Michael Cohen is a proven and self-admitted liar and failure. In an effort to get a comment from Cohen, Newsweek texted him, although he is now an ardent opponent of Trump, Cohen spent time in prison after pleading guilty to 8 felony charges related to his work with the president, including tax fraud, bank fraud, and violations of campaign finance. You might recognize him from his testimony in Trump's New York civil fraud trial. He'll likely play a pivotal role in Bragg's case against the ex-president. With 4 separate criminal indictments hanging over his presidential campaign, Trump has a lot on his plate. In addition, he must raise $454 million no later than March 25 in order to appeal the decision in his civil fraud case. As he appeals the civil defamation case that former Elle writer Jean Carroll brought against him and won, Trump was recently required to post a bail of over $92 million, adding to the mounting expense of his legal issues, after Donald Trump warned at a rally that re-electing Joe Biden would cause a bloodbath in the United States. His followers have rallied to his defense. Quickly, officials on Trump's side sought to assuage fears that the former president was referring to a violent rebellion by Trump supporters when he said that the auto industry was facing a mass layoff. Saturday, when speaking at a political rally in Ohio, the Republican made his remarks. "You and I are friendly, President Xi, but he knows how I handle situations if you happen to be listening. Sure, you can sell the cars to us from those massive assembly factories you're erecting in Mexico, but we won't be hiring anyone from those places." In an interview with NBC News, Trump reportedly threatened to impose a 100% tariff on all imported automobiles, thus cutting off their sales if he were to win the election. As for the consequences, he warned that a slaughter would ensue if he lost the election. For the nation, it will be a massacre. It won't even begin to cover that. Those vehicles, though, will not sell. Building enormous factories is what they're doing. Republican Marjorie Taylor Greene of Georgia, a staunch Trump supporter and congressman, was fast to place the blame on Democrats and the media in the event of any confusion.